Everyone, mga sangkay, basa po muna tayo ng general order. By the way, alas 7 na po ng umaga. Bago po tayo mag-umpisa, mag-receive ng mag-logbook, memorize po muna natin ang general orders. Number 1, to take charge of this post and all company properties in view and to preserve the same with utmost diligence. Number 2, to walk my post during his hour of duty in a military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place with sight or hearing. Number 3, to report all violations of regulation and order I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to repeat all calls from post more distance from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5, to quiet my post only when properly relieved. Number 6, to receive, obey, and pass on the relieving guard all orders from company officers, official, supervisor, officer in charge, or shift leaders. Number 7, to talk to no one except in line of duty. Number 8, to sound the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9, to call the superior officer in any case or incident, nor cover by instruction. Number 10, to salute all company officials, his superior in the agency, ranking public official, and commissioned officer of the AFP and PNP or Armed Forces of the Philippines and Philippine National Police. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time for challenging, to challenge any person on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority. Yun lang po. Hanggang sa bukas na naman ulit, kada umaga po gagawin po natin ito nang ma-memorize at maunawaan po natin kung ano ang mga nakapaloob sa general orders, kasi ito po ang ating pinasok na trabaho. Ito na rin po yung ating kailangan sundin, ang general order, kasi iyan po naman talaga ang mahalaga, ang matutunan natin ang general orders para po ito sa mga security personnel na kagaya ko. Thanks for watching, mga sangkay. God bless.